Hi, this is the library.
Hello? Who are you?
Who are you going to talk to?
Who in the hell am I talking to?
Huh?
Who the hell is this?
I am a student, but the phone is ringing and ringing, so so I need to answer though.
Who the fuck are you?
Huh?
Somebody in command. I want to talk to somebody in command.
No, it isn't. No,
You son of a bitch.
Okay? Thank you anyway.
Fuck you.
Thank you anyway.
You can fucking bite my fucking ass, bitch.
Okay, thank you. Bye.
Oh, Jesus.
Hello?
How are you? Hello? Who the hell is this?
Oh, 1 second. Who is this?
Somebody in command.
What?
Somebody in command.
Oh.
Jesus.
Why are you calling your payphone?
I want to talk to somebody who's civilized. I want to talk to somebody in command.
A man?
I want to talk to Alex Spider, and I want to talk to Steven from Dreamland, and I want to talk to Richard Mall.
Are you drunk?
And that's why I'm Hauser.
Okay, I gotta go.
Detective John Kimball. John Kimball.
Yes?
Hello? Who the fuck are you?
What?
Who the hell is this?
Hey, where are you from?
Who the hell am I talking to?
What?
Who are you?
I'm fine, how are you?
Who are you?
I'm fine, how are you?
Who the fuck are you? I want to talk to Alex Spider, and I want to talk to Steven from Dreamland, and I want to talk to Richard Mall.
You speak Spanish?
My fucking daddy was a fucking dick.
Okay, bye, sir.
Didn't believe in anything, and that's why I am the way I am today, bitch.
What? Hey.
Well, fuck you.
Fuck you too.
Well, fuck you, stranger.
Get out, man, get out.
You son of a bitch. Hello?
Hello?
How are you?
Hey, what's going on?
Who are you?
What?
Who the hell is this?
What is this?
Who the fuck are you? Who's that? You're a what? Well,
Who is this?
fuck you.
Who is this?
Well, fuck you, stranger. Detective John Kimball. Detective John Kimball.
Who?
Detective John Kimball.
What do you need?
Somebody in command. Somebody in command. I want to talk to somebody in command.
You know what phone you're calling, sir?
Yeah.
This is a payphone.
Yeah. I want to talk to somebody who's civilized. I want to talk to somebody in command.
You sound kind of drunk.
Well, fuck you, stranger.
Okay.
I am going to get my dad. My dad works for the telephone company. He's going to find out who the fuck is doing that. My dad works for the telephone company. He won't get into the fucking, any fucking circuit that you're fucking incapable of.
I'm sure you will.
You can fucking bite my fucking ass. You son of a bitch. You're the fucking idiot. Hello?
Hello.
Who are you?
Who are you?
Detective John Kimball. Detective John Kimball. Who in the hell am I talking to?
Well, this is the Terminator.
That's
Yeah, Sarah Connor?
you idiot.
Are you Sarah Connor?
I want to talk to somebody in command.
Okay, well, let me get the general. Hold on.
Hello? Who are are you?
Payphone, you need to quit calling it.
Who in the hell am I talking to?
There's a
Fuck you.
payphone at the zeros and the student unions, and you need to quit calling it, please.
Well, fuck you, stranger. You son of a bitch.
Hello? Thank you.
Alright. Who the fuck are you?
Sir, this is a payphone. Nobody's going to answer it.
You son of a bitch.
Hello?
I want to talk to somebody civilized. I want to talk to somebody in command. Who in the hell am I talking to?
I'm the captain of this ship.
Detective John Kimball.
Hello?
What, you idiot? Detective John Kimball. John Kimball. Somebody in command. Who are you? Who the hell is this?
Who do you think it is?
Detective John Kimball.
Sure.
Alex Spider. I want to talk to somebody in command. Bitch.
Hold.
Hello?
Hello? Who the fuck are you?
This is a payphone. Who are you?
Somebody in command.
I'm going to hang up
Detective
now.
John Kimball. John Kimball.
I don't know who you are.
John Kimball. Bitch. You
Okay,
fucker.
bye.
Well, fuck you.
Hello?
Who in the hell am I talking to? Who are you?
I don't know what you're doing, but do you know you're calling a payphone?
Yeah.
Why? Who are you waiting for?
John Kimball. Detective John Kimball. Bitch.
You don't need to, like, swear at me, sir.
You're being a motherfucker. Well, fuck you, stranger.
You're wasted.
You can fucking bite my fucking ass.
Hello?
Hello? Who the fuck are you?
Who the fuck are you?
Detective John Kimball. Detective John Kimball. Somebody in command. Bitch.
Okay. Okay. Hey.
You son of a bitch.
You cocksucker.
Well, fuck you.
You know what? Go fuck yourself.
Bitch.
Hi, you're calling a public place.
Who the fuck are you?
You don't even know this, but you're calling a public place.
You son of a bitch. Well, fuck you, stranger. Fucker. I'll say you son of a bitch if I